Dear students, welcome to Physics Inventory World. Today we are going to discuss some very important long questions that oftenly asked in the examination. And also remember, these all questions are according to new scheme of 2021 and 22. So let's start our discussion. In this discussion, one thing you should keep in mind is that there is no long question that can be asked from chapter number 1 because the chapter number 1 is just for MCQs and short question. So let's start our subjective part long question from chapter number 2, which is about vectors and equilibrium. So there are three main questions that can be asked from chapter number 2. The first question is vector addition by its rectangular components, and the second is scalar product of two vectors. Third question is define torque and find the expression for torque. And now we are moving towards the chapter number 3, which is about motion and force. Question number 1 is define elastic and inelastic collision and find the velocities after collision of an isolated system. In this question, you have to solve the value of V1 prime and V2 prime. Question number 2 is define projectile motion and find its two cases. The first case is time of flight and the second case is maximum range of the projectile. And from chapter number 4, which is about work and energy, question number 1 is work done by gravitational field and how it is related or how it is independent of path followed. And the second question is absolute potential energy, and the third one is interconversion of kinetic energy and potential energy. The second question, which is absolute potential energy, this question is very important from all of these questions. So now we are moving towards chapter number 5, which is about circular motion. The first question is centripetal force and the second question is rotational kinetic energy, in which you have to solve two cases. You have to solve for the case of hoop and for the case of disk. And the third question is about geostationary orbits. And now from chapter number 6, which is about fluid dynamics, there are three questions here. First question is about define terminal velocity and find its expression. So question number 2 is Bernoulli's equation, and the third one is applications of Bernoulli's equation, in which you have to describe Torricelli's theorem. So in all these questions, the second question, which is about Bernoulli's equation, this question is very important because these questions oftenly asked in the paper. So let's move on chapter number 7, which is about oscillations. There are two questions here. The first question is simple pendulum and the second question is energy conservation in simple harmonic motion. So from chapter number 8, which is about waves, there are three questions here. First question is about speed of sound in air and drive expression for Newton formula or Laplace correction. The question number 2 is effect of temperature on the speed of sound, and the third one is Doppler effect. This question also is very important from the paper point of view. And now we are moving toward chapter number 9, which is about physical optics. There are three questions here. So first question is Young's double slit experiment, and the second is Michelson's interferometer, and the third one is diffraction of X-rays by crystals. And now from chapter number 10, which is about optical instruments. The question number 1 is simple microscope, and the second is compound microscope, and the third one is types of optical fibers. But in all of these questions, the second question is very important, which is compound microscope. And from chapter number 11, which is about heat and thermodynamics, and this chapter is the last chapter of our first year physics. In this chapter there are four questions here. Question number 1 is pressure of gas, and the second in first law of thermodynamics, in which you have to describe two cases. First case is isothermal process, and the second is adiabatic process. Question number 3. In this question you have to prove Cp minus Cv is equal to R. And now question number 4 is about Carnot engine, which is also very important long questions, and these all questions are very important, and if you have solved or learn these questions, so you can solve 100% of your subjective part long questions. So for further information, for further numerical problems and short questions, like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.